the whole onboarding process was really flexible, and the team made it work to our schedule.
I really like the onboarding process and the whole schedule that we have.
I reached out to your sales department. After 1.5 weeks, we signed a contract. And then 2 weeks later, we were already onboarded.
The team on your side was really helpful, always available to support if needed.
There were plenty of follow-ups. We knew exactly what we needed to prepare in terms of the data migration before each onboarding call, so the calls were efficient. The team also responded to every single one of our questions.
And you guys also quite helpful in terms of all the data import, export, and everything.
Our onboarding manager was also very helpful to transition the data into the correct formats.